How's it going there, YouTube? Well, it has been a hot and now humid week up here. It's like 35 degrees this afternoon, so yeah, hot day for working outside. But anyway, this is the week coming up to Kawartha Antique Power, of course. You guys know it's usually the first show of the year for me here in Ontario. There are a couple shows that happen before that, but usually the first night I get involved with is Kawartha Antique Power. I was kind of looking at the old 1828 here a bit. I'm going to have to give it a good wash. They've got all the grinding dust from the 80 all over it there, which I need to get back on that track and get that back together because I want to move it. I mean, you're going to throw a little shot of grease in the front end here and grease the back bearings and get it ready to go away this weekend. Because I'm probably going to take it up Friday night, and I think I'm planning on being there Saturday. I don't know about Sunday just yet. I haven't thought that far ahead just yet, but yeah, I haven't really been doing a whole heck of a lot out here in the shop the last week or so. I did show a little sneak preview of that Oliver 88 Wheatland diesel that some of you guys are pretty interested in. So let's flip you around. We'll check that out real quick. Well, this is where I'm at with the Super 88 Wheatland diesel here. I painted the back rims. I still need to do a little bit of fabric on the front axle. It's not mounted just yet. I did do a little bit of grinding. I need to do a little bit more shaping. But it'll slip on there pretty nicely, I think. And it's actually, for you guys that are wondering, the red I use is just Tremclad Fire Red. And that's Oliver Red right in the front. So I was always kind of taught that Tremclad Fire Red is real close to Oliver. I'm colorblind anyway and can't really tell the difference. So reds and greens together on me, get them mixed up sometimes, but that's where we're at with that. I actually got this idea from the Cookstown show when we featured Oliver almost, 10 years ago now. I think it was a 770 or an 880. Someone did that was a Wheatland, so they used the same kind of wheels and axle and whatnot. I may actually do one of those myself because it's something different and unique to put on the shelf here at home. I don't remember if I showed you guys the books that I picked up there on the weekend too. Actually, I think I did. Of course, I picked up these yardsticks too at the same time. Come from the same fella. He gave me that clock there too a little while ago. And before I get into anything else tonight, I did mention in the last video I do have some posters for you guys, and they showed up today, and they turned out really nice. They're a little bit basic, but they're like a trial run. I only got 20 posters printed up. If you guys are interested, you leave me a comment on here and I'll give you my email address. I'm just going to put my email in the description box. You guys can send me an email, and if you're interested in one, we'll get you looked after. But here, check this out. Yeah, so it's just an 8.5 by 11 photo of the 1828 and the 99 sitting on the blocks there, and I got a little bit of the plow in the photo. It was a nice photo, and I got pretty good feedback online, so I thought, hey, maybe I'd do a trial run of posters for you guys. Like I said, there is 20 of them available right now, and if we do well with the posters, I will definitely make some more. I have been trying to get some stickers made up for you guys for a long time, and I might have a design that I'm kind of working on right now, so I'll keep you guys tuned on that. I did have a couple guys last year ask me if I would get some posters made up and sign them for you. So I think for the 20 posters, I'm going to sign them up for you guys, and I'm going to let them go for $5 a piece plus shipping. Like I said before, if you guys are interested in one, shoot me an email or leave me your email on comment in the video, and we will do business if you're interested. So thanks again for watching, you guys. I'm doing this for you guys. Let me know what you guys think of this. I generally only grease the tractor once a year. I don't really use it all that much, but I've got tendonitis in my hands, and I got a Christmas present from my parents, so the battery-powered grease gun is a nice thing. Makes things a lot quicker. on these tractors. The 80's got them too. They have grease fittings for the back wheel bearing. All right, we'll see if we can get to the first crank start of 2024. It does start a little bit erratically still because those floats aren't just quite right, but I think I'm going to be getting those floats. I've said that 10 different times, but never have enough time to do anything, it seems like. Make sure it's in neutral before you crank these things. That's the most important thing. It went on 2 poles last time, so we'll see. You don't got much gas left in it. I was actually quite impressed how it started tonight. Sometimes when it gets real hot, it does look to start because I have the issue with the floats, but tonight seemed to go alright. It run real good right after it started, so maybe it didn't like that I called it out on camera. Yeah, sometimes when you throttle it up, it gets a little bit too much gas too quick and it'll kind of snap and plug, but it also hasn't really run a whole lot this year either. It hasn't done nothing since, well, I think the last time I really used that is when I was thrashing with that Milton last year. So anyway, I'm gonna dry this off. Maybe I'll clean the wheels up a little better, put a little air in that back tire, and I guess we're pretty much good to go. If you guys are interested in poster, send me an email there. I'll put the email address in the description box down below. And I will see you guys on the weekend. So have a good night. Thanks for watching as always, guys. I always appreciate your support. Take care.